What's up, guys? Welcome back. So real quick, I have a really busy day. I actually have to turn my lease in a couple days, and I'm not getting a new car until I go down to South Florida. So I've got to fit in all of my errands, and yeah, I've just got to use the time wisely. And so yeah, I've only got a few minutes, but I wanted to share this paleo pumpkin cupcake recipe with you. Also by the Paleo Running Mama. I've really enjoyed her paleo pizza recipe, and I might also be making her pumpkin pie this week too, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, this was super simple to make. The only thing that took kind of a long time was the frosting's actually made with cashews, and I had to soak the cashews overnight, so that's kind of a lengthy process. And then once you mix the rest of the ingredients inside of the frosting, that also has to sit for at least a few hours overnight, so just make sure you give yourself ample time to create these. Alrighty, well, let's get started. I'll just show you. So cute, right? They're so soft. Obviously no gluten, since they're paleo. I used a combination of almond flour, coconut flour, and tapioca flour, mostly almond though. Lots of really warm spices, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, nutmeg. All right, this is my breakfast, which I normally don't have. I will put the recipe below so that you guys can try it yourself at home. The macros and everything are included on her recipe, so you'll be able to find all that information there. So moist. It's actually crazy how good this frosting is, and it is so light. It is super smooth, creamy, obviously nutty. And maple syrup is the only sweetener used, and I have organic Trader Joe's maple syrup or fresh thyme or whichever. You're looking to get quality ingredients when you're cooking with paleo. That's the point of paleo. You're supposed to take out a lot of the foods that normally disrupt your system, like dairy, gluten. All these things are removed, and then the remaining ingredients you're supposed to try to get from a good place. That was Butters. He's actually insane. There's even a slight tartness to the frosting, and it kind of mimics cream cheese frosting, again, in a super, super light way. My piping skills are just awful. I really should have let the frosting sit out a little bit longer before I tried. It's okay. I know I said it before, but the cake is just so moist. It's light and it doesn't taste like dense or mealy or, it's really good. And if you wanted to just make muffins, all you have to do is not make the frosting, obviously. You could add nuts, dried fruit to the inside of the batter, and yeah, then they're just muffins. Mm. Mm. That was the perfect amount. Each one of these is around like 350, 375 calories, I believe. So I've had about half of my calories for the day in this one meal. This had a lot of fat, a little bit of protein from all the nuts. So tonight for dinner, I'm gonna have to make sure that I eat some good lean protein and probably a vegetable. Which I seem to always forget. All right, guys, well, I'll see you another time, at least one other time this week. Shane and I are going to Chicago for Thanksgiving, but I do want to kind of have a video out for you on Thanksgiving around about. And then I actually have a personal video coming up this weekend. A lot of you have asked me about my skincare routine and my makeup routine. And so I decided I was going to do a little video to show you what I do, products I use, my makeup process, which is really, really simple, but I actually just started using a new makeup line that I really love. So anyways, I'm excited to share all that with you. Stay tuned if you're interested in seeing any of that, and I will see you guys next time. Happy almost Thanksgiving to everybody in the States, and happy holidays almost to everybody else. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.